Hey everybody, Jacob Wright from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida here, standing next to our 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX. As you can see, the exterior color is white with a very nice black pinstripe accent stripe. It really makes the SLX logo pop, so everyone out on the water will know exactly which boat that you are in. This boat is powered with a Mercury 300 horsepower 4-stroke outboard. Moves this boat very well. You're cruising comfortably in the 30s. I've heard of rumors of people getting close to 50 miles per hour on top end on it. So this boat does move very well and very quickly. As you can see on the back here, it has a very nice extended back swim platform, offering a lot of space and walking around maneuverability, as well as a very large, extensive boarding ladder. Makes it getting in and out of the boat much simpler and easier whenever you're in those deeper waters. Let's hop up there and I'll show you some more. Thank you for joining me on the back of the boat now. Like I mentioned earlier, this boat comes with a very nice extended back swim platform, offers a lot of walking around room. As you can see, I have no obstruction in my side-to-side movement over here. This boat also does have an activity pole slot, so if you want to do any type of tubing, wakeboarding, water skiing, there is a place for the activity bar to go. On the aft section here, you also have a nice freshwater washdown. So as soon as you get back onto the boat, you're able to wash your feet off of all the sand and not worry about tracking it through the boat. Another great feature that I absolutely love that Sea Ray does is implements the amount of storage that they have within the boat. You can see this nice big back lounger here offers enough space for multiple people to sit on, have a great view of wherever you are for the day. But also, on a 26-foot boat, this has a large enough compartment to fit multiple wakeboards or water skis. One of the things that you're gonna hear me touch on multiple times throughout this boat walkthrough video is the amount of storage that comes on this boat. It's a 26-foot boat, but they've implemented a lot of features on those higher end boats into this smaller package. For example, as right here, there is a nice little recessed area for fusion radio, as well as 2 USB ports so you can charge phones at the same time. Walking through into the cockpit area, just notice the double diamond stitching that is throughout this whole entire boat. This boat was designed by an all-female team, and as you take a look a little bit more in close to the boat, you'll notice these little details that just make sense. Everything has a place, everything fits, and it's just very appealing to your eye. Again, with the storage, that big wakeboard storage that comes all the way through, you do have a double access port right here to it, so you can enter it from the aft or here into the cockpit section. Now right here at the helm station, very ergonomically designed helm station. It does have twin Simrad screens. Easy view, you're not obstructing anything of your outside view of where you're going. This does have a nice accent pad right here, just kind of give it more style, but it also doubles as a phone charger. It's hidden underneath it, so you can't quite see it, but it is there. It does have a Fusion head audio system, Yolenko trim tabs, as well as beautiful flip down seating. Makes it super comfortable. These do swivel, so if you guys are anchored up somewhere, you guys can rotate them and you guys can be part of the social group. This does have a full size head down there. A grown man can fit in there on a 26-foot size boat, which is very awesome in my opinion. Making our way finally to the front of the boat. Again, like I mentioned earlier, just the attention to detail that the team at Sea Ray has built on this boat, the stitching, the quality, the color schemes, they all mesh and they all flow very well together. And you'll see that on any Sea Ray that you get on. Sea Ray takes much pride in their appearance and their quality. The vinyl is much cooler than traditional vinyl, so you can actually get those darker colors if you want and not have to worry about when you sit down, you're burning your leg or it's just gonna be hot throughout the day. Now, again, this is Jacob Wright from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I just showed you the Sea Ray 260 SLX. If you'd like to come see it in person or know a little bit more about it, please give me a call. Don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, all of our social medias, TikTok, Facebook, all of the above, and look forward to seeing you out on the water. Thank you, guys.